Ericsson and Vonage. Simplify network API exposure and developer API consumption. Drive innovation for communications platform as a service. Deliver new levels of performance across 5G and 4G networks. And help communication service providers monetize their 5G networks in new ways. So now, when you imagine the future, imagine possible. As drone use continues to grow, the possibilities for future applications are extraordinary. Imagine if enterprise drones could fly safely and securely beyond the user's visual line of sight. That would mean greater inspection capabilities, opportunities for growth, speedy delivery of critical medical supplies, improved disaster response, emergency network access, better accident reconnaissance, and critical real-time information for firefighters. All enabled by low-latency networks with unwavering connectivity. It's possible. Ericsson Drone Mobility is a cloud-based drone mission control platform that uses open APIs to meet beyond visual line of sight regulations. Verify location and quality of service APIs assure that in-flight drones are traceable and controllable, while maintaining connectivity to a secure network so users can switch from a low to high definition feed as needed. Working with partners like Telefónica, Orange, and Vodafone, Ericsson and Vonage can help your organization see over the horizon to the future of drone applications. Ericsson and Vonage, working together to create a leading global network platform, unleashing 5G capabilities, accelerating the world's ability to connect. Imagine possible.